AI feels unstoppable. It writes code, paints portraits, and explains the universe in seconds. But what if this explosion of progress is actually a beautiful illusion? Even Mark Zuckerberg and Sam Altman, two of the biggest names in the AI world, have to admit the gap, even though they might be the last people willing to do so. Because what we see today isn't pure intelligence. It's the reflection of something that merely looks intelligent. AI seems brilliant because it talks so well. ChatGPT and similar models can write essays, crack jokes, and sound confident about almost anything. And that's no coincidence. We have trillions of words online. Books, articles, conversations, to train these models. And language tasks are forgiving. A small mistake barely matters, as long as the answer feels right. That's why AI chatbots appear smart. They have endless examples to learn from, and the bar for accuracy is low. And in conversation, AI often gives us that aha moment, when its response suddenly feels insightful, almost human. It's the moment that makes us believe it can truly generalize, that it understands us. But that's the trap. That spark of brilliance is built on patterns, not understanding. And when we try to copy that same magic into other domains, science, medicine, engineering, the moment never comes. The illusion breaks. We have to admit, AI has genuinely improved automation, especially in tasks that involve natural language understanding. It can summarize, extract, and interpret text faster than any human. But that's only one piece of the puzzle. Once the problem moves beyond words, into reasoning, judgment, or decision-making, the system begins to shake. It can't yet automate the whole process in a robust and reliable way. The illusion of total automation fades as soon as real-world complexity enters the picture. So we try to patch it. Researchers connect multiple AIs together, build pipelines, design multi-agent frameworks, systems where one AI plans, another critiques, another executes. It sounds powerful, but it's still a trade-off game. More complexity brings slower speed, higher cost, and still no guarantee of truth. Because at the core, every agent still shares the same foundation, a language model that doesn't truly understand, only predicts. It's like building a tower on shifting sand. It might look taller, but it's not more stable. This is what Zuckerberg and Altman are warning about. They're not saying AI will collapse, they're saying the enthusiasm might. Billions are being poured into startups chasing the next miracle, repeating the same pattern we saw in the dot-com era. Too much money, too little patience for reality. The technology is real, but the expectations are inflating faster than the results. And when those two curves diverge, a bubble forms. The real bottleneck isn't model size anymore, it's data. High quality, unbiased, and well-curated data is incredibly rare. That's why data curation companies are quietly becoming the new stars of the AI world. They don't get the headlines, but they build the foundation. Because without trustworthy data, even the smartest model is just guessing beautifully. So maybe the real story isn't about machines becoming like us, but about us learning what intelligence truly means. AI today mirrors our imagination more than our understanding. It dazzles because it speaks in our language, reflects our dreams, and hides its limits behind eloquent words. But beneath the surface, it's still searching for meaning. The beautiful illusion of AI reminds us of something timeless. Progress is not about building what looks smart, but about seeking what's true. And when this bubble of excitement fades, those still standing will be the ones who chose truth over spectacle and kept building quietly after the noise was gone.